Good day, everybody. Today, I'd like to tell you something about our research activities in the Molecular Allergy Research Laboratory. Allergic reactions are steadily increasing worldwide, as you know, and have reached actually epidemic proportions. In fact, allergic sensitization to dust mites are the single most important cause for asthma. In Singapore, 80% of the general population have already some type of sensitization, particularly to the tropical mite. Furthermore, allergics increases are to food allergens, in particular to seafood. We know now that up to 500 million people worldwide have some type of food allergy, particular to seafood. So our research is really focusing on shellfish allergy, and there we know that about 3% of the world population have some type of shellfish allergy, and also here in Singapore. These food allergies often lifelong, and it's actually very dangerous and often results in anaphylactic reaction. Several allergenic proteins have been identified. These are the so-called allergens, and they seem to be shared between different shellfish species, which can cause something called clinical cross-reactivity. So while this is not really surprising, we and our other research groups around the world have identified a major problem. Some proteins, such as the allergen called tropomycin, is also very similar in dust mites and in insects. These so-called shellfish imposters, based on the allergen similarity, pose a really serious health risk to affected consumers of processed food. In particular, edible insect proteins from cricket or mealworm are increasingly introduced worldwide as an alternative novel food source and are also available already here in Singapore. So these novel food sources contain unknown types and quantities of shellfish allergens or shellfish-like allergens. And this potential allergenicity is a major concern due to the allergic cross-reactivity in unexpected consumers of these food proteins, and is a focus of our research at JCU. So in collaboration with the CSIRO and A*STAR, we have generated very exciting knowledge and data using advanced bioinformatic approaches and large patient cohorts from Australia as well as from Singapore. The findings of our research will be translated into improved diagnostics for people, but also into test kits to improve food safety for these novel foods. So our research here at JCU will ensure that more healthy and sustainable novel food products will come into Singapore's food stores in the very near future. Thanks very much for your time.